We're at the Tomra T-9 at Kiwi Langenes, no bin status. I returned a Faxe Kondi bottle and the receipt got stuck, so I had to open the machine and pull it out. Found an error receipt in there. But we found all these in the rejects that are perfectly fine. I'm guessing the machine went full and someone threw them out. So we're going to put them through and see what happens. So that Power King could not read barcode. It's actually more common with these Power Kings than you think. Store does not accept this brand. Rub the barcode. Could not read the barcode. Could not read barcode. Could not read barcode. Finally, there it goes. Okay, Coke Zero. Yep, goes in. Coke Zero. Gravity, there goes another Coke Zero. 4 cans, let's pick up the gravity Coke Zero. Throw it through. Got some big old Foose bottles. Excuse me. Another big old Foose bottle. Coke, Coke, Coke. Another big old Foose bottle. Small Coke bottle. Can. Another Coke can. Another Coke can. Another one. We got a Foose can. We got whatever this is. Credits it. And we got a Red Bull to finish things off. Boop. Nice, that's 52 kroner in my pocket. There's the receipt, didn't get stuck. 52, and there's the quantities. That's the end of this. Let me just double check. Yeah, nothing left in here. And let me find those other two. Oh, there's some other stuff here too. Let's do this on top of the trash can. Yeah. This is the first error receipt. Now, I found a billion error receipts, but first one on film. And I had a 2 kroner receipt that got stuck in the machine. And you turn that, this pops open, and then you can take the receipt out of the printer. That's the end of this.